Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be another luxury unboxing video. I'll show you what I bought on Black Friday. I was feeling very spendy on Black Friday and I ended up buying items that were not on sale. So actually only one of the items in this whole video was on sale. I got a really good deal on it, so I'm excited to see it and try it on. I haven't unboxed any of the items that you can see behind me. I'm also very excited because there is an item that I've been looking for months, and I finally found it and it's mine and I can't believe it. I've contacted all my SAs. They said they can't find that particular item, and this is one of the hottest pieces this season and it's mine. I can't believe I found it. It's finally here and I can't wait to open it and have a look and try it on and see how it looks on. So if you're interested, keep watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're new. If you want to check out my latest purchases, how I style them, or get some outfit inspo, you can check out my Instagram. So without any further ado, let's get started. I'll start with this box here. So I placed an order from Net-a-Porter, and this is not a sponsored video. I paid with my own money. So let's see what I bought. I, by the way, love the Net-a-Porter packaging. It's absolutely stunning. It's black and beautiful and very sleek, so I love it. This is the first item that I got. It is a pair of jeans, and this is actually the only item that I got on sale. If you're a Net-a-Porter customer, have an account, shop from Net-a-Porter, you must have gotten the same email as me. I got 25% off at checkout and I picked these up. So these jeans, these are a pair of Ganni jeans. I've been stalking these and wanting these for a couple of months. I saw these first on the Ganni website. I was looking for some jumpers. I love their jumpers, by the way, and I saw these. Initially, I wanted these in a different color. I wasn't planning on buying this color, but this is such a classic wash. Anyway, I wanted to get these in the beige or the dark. It's almost black. I'll link them down below for you to check out. But they didn't go on sale, and when I saw these were available on Net-a-Porter. There was such a good deal. I actually don't regret buying these because they're really nice, very classic, light wash. They're stunning. I can't wait to try them on. I got mine for reference. This is the back, by the way. I love the little tag at the back. For reference, I got mine in size 28. I know designer jeans run a bit small, so I wanted to get a size up just in case. I'm always size 27 in rag & bone jeans, and I know they stretch a little bit, but I was scared that this might run very small, although they looked quite baggy on the model. But anyway, I ended up ordering size 28, so hopefully these will fit well. They're straight leg, they're mid-rise, and the bottom, look at the slit, guys. They have this slit and it looks really cool on. So I'm excited to try these on, and I'm pretty sure that if I like them, I'll end up buying them in more colors. These are 100% cotton. They don't seem to have any stretch, so I would suggest you go a size up. These don't have a zip, they have buttons. And yeah, these are the jeans. I'll link these ones and the other colors that I love down below in the description box, so make sure you check them out. And yeah, can't wait to style these. So this is Gucci's Holiday 2018 packaging. It's very different, very bright. I find it a bit weird, but I love the color. Okay, so this is what I ordered. I got this from the Gucci website. I ordered this from the Gucci website. As you can see, it's a very slim box. So let's have a look. You're probably thinking, what is this? So this, guys, is a pair of tights. I've been seeing these everywhere on Instagram, and I absolutely love Gucci's embroidered shirts, like the lacy embroidered shirts with the GG logo on them. Absolutely love them, but I don't have thousands to spend on ready-to-wear pieces from Gucci yet. So I thought this is the next best thing. This was actually a really good price. Let me have a look first. I got these tights in size large, so hopefully these won't be too big, but I'm quite tall. I'm 5'7", 171 centimeters tall. I'm not sure if it will show on camera, but these are the tights. I checked the size reference on the website, and yeah, I ended up getting the large because I think these run small. These are so cool. These actually look quite loose. Hopefully they won't be big because I don't think I can exchange them, but we'll see how they will fit. They have this elastic band with the Gucci written on it. They're very soft, guys, and they look very durable, but again, I will stay away from Yoshi because I don't want him to break my new Gucci tights. So these were £85, which I think is really good considering their socks are 120 pounds. The tights were 85. Of course, they have more expensive tights. They have tights with crystals, they're all embellished, and they're like £1,000, which is insane for a pair of tights. But these, I think, I mean, the price is okay. I mean, they're not cheap. It's a pair of tights. I usually buy my tights from Marks and Spencer's. They're really good quality. They're £10–15. So these are £85, but I love them. I think these will look really cool. I can't wait to try them on. I love the little GGs on them. Yeah, hopefully these won't break easily. They seem quite thick, so we'll see. But I'm planning to wear these with dresses, with skirts. These will look really cool with a leather skirt. These will also look really cool styled with a pair of shorts, and the elastic band showing with like the Gucci writing on the top. If you wear shorts, I don't wear shorts. These come in other colors. I think these come in white, red, and maybe green. I'm not sure, but I'll link them down below again. You probably think I'm crazy buying Gucci tights. Alright, next is the item that I'm most excited about, and I can't wait to finally open it. It is in this massive box, again from Net-a-Porter. It's in a Net-a-Porter dust bag. I can see it. Ta da da da! Oh my god, I love it. This is my new Fendi poncho. This is one of the hottest pieces right now. It is so difficult to find, and it's finally mine. Look at the colors, look at the back. It has these pink stripes, the green, the blue, the yellow. It's absolutely beautiful. So this is a Fendi ready-to-wear piece, and the price was £690. Now, I think this is a really good price for Fendi. Of course, it is a lot of money, but I think for Fendi ready-to-wear, this is actually a really good price, because most of their ready-to-wear pieces are more than £1,000. So this is actually a really good price. It is such a classic piece. I don't personally think it is trendy. I think it's a very classic piece that will stay in my wardrobe for a very long time. You see me wearing this a lot. This poncho comes in 2 different colors. So my essays, I have 2 essays here in London, and both of them said that they can only find me the other color, which is the more, I would say, classic one. It's the brown poncho that you see everywhere on Instagram. I see that one more than this one. But I thought this is a bit more fun. I love the colors. It looks a bit more modern and young, and I thought this will be easier to style as well because of all the colors. This will be so easy to just throw on, and I think it will be very warm as well. It is made of, let me check the tags, it is 95% wool and 5% silk. You can wrap yourself around, you can wear it as a scarf, and with a cashmere turtleneck under it, it will look really cool and it will be warm. You can wear it with jeans, you can wear it more casual, you can dress it up with a pair of heels and wear it on a night out. I would definitely style this with my new pair of jeans, a pair of white boots, and this poncho with a cashmere turtleneck underneath. That's how I'm imagining wearing it right now, so I'll definitely put this outfit together and show you how it looks on. But I tried to put different outfits together with this poncho so you can see how versatile style it is and how you can wear it and style it. I know this is very difficult to find, but I think it eventually comes back in stock, so if I see it, I'll definitely let you guys know and post it on my Instagram. So make sure you're following me on my Instagram. As soon as I see this piece back in stock, I'll definitely let you know on my stories. So yeah, this is the poncho. I absolutely love the colors. Oh, it's beautiful. I love Fendi so much, and guys, you have no idea how happy I am that I have this piece in my wardrobe. It's a must-have. I love it so much. Alright guys, that's all. Let me know what you think of this video. What was your favorite piece in this haul? Let me know if you bought anything on Black Friday. Did you get any good deals? I'm actually very excited for Boxing Day. I can't wait for Boxing Day. I'm sure the sales on Boxing Day will be awesome, and I'll find some really good pieces on Boxing Day as well. But yeah, that's all. Again, thank you so much for watching. Everything will be linked down below in the description box. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to come follow me on my other social media platforms. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your lovely comments, for the support, and I can't wait to see you in my next one. Bye guys.